In this video, I'll be unboxing and also showing you how you can use this portable handheld sewing machine. Alright, now as you can see, I got this portable handheld sewing machine and I'll be unboxing this machine and showing you how you can use this machine. You can see here the handheld sewing machine. Now let's unbox this machine, this carton. Let's see what's inside. Here it comes with extra stitching, extra needle and some other things. Here is the manual, the guide on how you can arrange and use the machine. And right here is the machine proper. So you can see it's actually a simple machine that can do some simple stitching, maybe stitch some simple clothes, easy and light stitching. You can see here's the machine, here's the body, and this machine you can only use battery with it. Right here is where you put your battery, 4 batteries, 1 2 3 4, close, and right here is where you press the button, power button, and you start sewing your clothes. You can also lock here. You shift this to go front, you lock here so that you can, maybe sometimes you won't accidentally press here and just start sewing nothing. You can see I can unlock it this way. Now let me show you how you can use this machine. You can see this how it comes. Right now here's the head is closed. Now how do you open it? This is a winder. Just take it this way. You can see it will be opening from there. Right here we open, you can see, and right here is the stitch or the thread. You can put your thread right here. So that's why you can see right here it comes with extra thread, also needle. Now you can see I can remove this one. Look, maybe if you want to change the thread, you can remove this one. Then here's the spring, as well you can remove it. You can fuse the spring back. Maybe you can change the thread by removing this one here. Then bring another thread and put right here and click it, or put it right here. And take it and click right here and push it to click, to hold it. You can see it has held it. So if you put your thread, the thread pass through here. You can see. Then under here, you can see that is pass it this way. Look, then it goes all the way. It goes all the way to this place right here. Here are 2 brackets. The thread pass at the middle right here. You can see. Then it goes all the way down, down right here. And you pass it down there. Look at, you can see it down there, right? If you pass it down there, then you will now take the thread and pass it right here at the needle. You can see the needle, so you must pass it from this side, the needle, and hold it and drag it. You can see, so you must come from the other side. Look, you can see, right? So now how do you stitch a material? Let me say, for instance, I have a piece of shirt that has torn. Look at right here, you will have to lift here up and then place your material under. Now let me show you. You first of all bring your battery. So if you get this machine, you will get this battery, something like this. Look, this very one is stronger, I think. So, and this is how you can put your battery on the machine. Open right here. You can see here on the machine here, there is how you can put your battery. Here's the battery direction. You can see this one. Battery must be up here. You can see the direction. This one faces up this side. It faces up on this side here. You can see there are 4 places. This first side, it faces up. You can see it right here at the indication here. Then this second one, you can see right here, faces down. Down. Then for this one, you can see right here, this one here faces down too. This one goes down. While this other one, you can see there, the indication there goes up too. It goes up. After that, it will bring this, press it, and then shift it to hold it. You can see right now I can press here a little bit to lift, make this go a bit up. You can see I've pressed a little here to make the needle come up a bit so that I can open right here and put a piece of cloth under. You can see the piece of cloth should pass under here. You can see. Okay, you can also lock here. If I push this in front, I have lock here. No matter how I press it, it's locked. You can see. If I bring this back, if I press it, it will start working. Now, how do I sew? You have a shirt that has torn right here. Let me show you how I will sew something right now. I will stitch something. Okay, here's my shirt. You can see that it has torn right here a little, and I want to sew this place using this handheld sewing machine. You can see it, right? So now how do I do it? I will have to arrange the place I want to sew. Look at here. So just like normal industrial sewing machine, you have to arrange the place properly. You can see. So now on the machine right here, I will have to lift this up and pass the shirt under this needle. Okay, so what I'll do is that I can hold it right here, lift it up, then bring the shirt, the torn place, look the place, and then pass it under this needle. You can see if I pass it, I can release it to pin. If I pin it, it is good for somebody to help you and hold it from this other end so that it goes smoothly and seamlessly. Now let me sew the place. You can see, okay, I will be using a tape to tape this place because this very cover is not gripping this place well. So at this moment, I will be using a tape to tape the cover of this machine so that this place will grip firmly. It won't remove if I'm sewing. Then once I grip it this way, you can see I arrange the material properly. Here's the place I want to sew. I just start here, press, this button, and it starts sewing. Look. Oh, I did not hold it very well. I can still put it very well to go inside. I can hold here and put it to go inside. Look, it is best you look for something to make this place stretch so that the machine can be going okay. Now if it wasn't in the video, I would have known how to do it. Okay, let me hold this way, just this way. Make sure you hold the cloth material well, then start sewing. I'm just giving an example. I'm not doing it perfectly anyways because I don't have someone to help me to hold it. Let me start again. You can pull it out. I didn't do it perfectly because nobody to hold me. But look, I saw it wrongly. I'm not a tailor. But look at how it has held it strongly. Okay, I will just remove it and then start again. Look at the place. I will arrange it again once more. Then bring the machine, raise it and place it. Click it right here. So it is best you look for somebody to help you and hold this side so that it will be straight while you're swinging. The machine will be going smoothly. Okay, like this. Maybe you can hang it on something to make it straight. Look, just go easily with the machine. Look, press here or hold it from here. You can press it. You can see, press. But there's somebody that needs to hold it so that it can be going smoothly. You can see. You can see, right? I think this time around is going well. I can remove it. Look at, I've sewn something, but it's not going straight. Look how strong it is. You can see, right? So in my next video, I will show you how you can actually do the stitching so that it won't be getting loosened right here, because there's how you do so that it will stop losing. But you can see that I've sewn something and it's very, very strong, but though I didn't hold it very well to go straight. You can see. Let me remove it again, but it's very strong. Look, the shell is even old. So guys, I think I just show you guys about this machine. Thanks for watching and bye.